Samsung fans were hyped for a game-changing battery boost with the Galaxy S26. But instead of excitement, there's concern. Why? Because what should have been a huge leap forward could end up being another missed opportunity. Here's the scoop. First, let's talk about the launch offers. If you haven't reserved your next Galaxy yet, you're missing out on something big. By signing up now, you'll get a $50 Samsung credit instantly and unlock up to $1,150 in additional savings. Plus, your reservation enters you into a sweepstakes to win a $5,000 Samsung credit. Don't wait, hit that link in the description now. Now, about the Galaxy S26 battery. Samsung was teasing some cool tech potential partnership with ITM Semiconductor to develop longer-lasting batteries with a new protective material called epoxy molding compound, EMC. This could keep the battery cooler, last longer, and charge faster. Sounds perfect, right? Plus, it would allow for smaller components, meaning more room for a bigger battery, but ... Here's the catch. There's no confirmation of a larger battery. Rumor has it that the S26 will stick to the same 3,900 mAh size as the S25. The result? A thinner phone. But is that what we really want? People want longer-lasting devices, not slimmer ones. Samsung's focus seems to be on making their phones thinner, not improving battery life, but that's a mistake. A slightly thicker design with a bigger battery paired with EMC tech would be a game-changer. Meanwhile, rivals like OnePlus and Nothing are moving ahead. OnePlus 13 has a 6,000 mAh battery that doesn't compromise on size. And even Apple is stepping up with the rumored 5,000 mAh in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This phone is supposed to be Samsung's flagship, yet it's expected to come with the same 5,000 mAh battery we've seen in the Ultra models for 6 years. While power-efficient chipsets and software help, it's not enough. Samsung needs to step up its game. If Samsung doesn't improve the battery capacity, it might fall behind in a key area that users care about: battery life. The S26 looks promising, but it's time for Samsung to break the cycle. If they focus on real battery improvements instead of just slimming down the design, they could win back the hearts of users. Let's hope the next round of leaks gives us better news. In 2025, long battery life isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Ask ChatGPT.